Okay, I'll just show you how to set the sat-nav in this 2017 SKODA Yeti. Any screen, you have nav here, click nav. Now I will just show you, I'll just let it, just give it a couple of seconds. Now there's nothing immediately obvious, and if you're not sure about the system, you wouldn't know what to do next. You'd be pressing buttons like right, left and centre. However, when you put your hand towards the system, I'll just show you. When you put your hand, there's no menu. When you put your hand towards the system, the menu comes up at the bottom, and you've got new destination there. United Kingdom, city, street, junction. Now, we're going to go for city. And there, you'd be typing, if you didn't know the system, you'd be typing Preston in and Chorley Road or Blackburn Road as we are now, but you've got PTCD, and I always say it, great design car, but there's a big space bar here. Cut the space bar down a bit and put postcode, not PTCD. That sounds like, well, I won't make light of it. So PTCD, postcode, we want letters. We're Grosvenor Garage, Blackburn Road, Higher Walton, Preston, PR. Now we've got the PR in, now we need to change to numbers. 5, 4, PR5, 4, back to letters, E, A, and then even though you've just typed it in and spent 10 minutes doing it, you've got to click that that's the address you want. It's showing PR5, 4, AE, Preston, Lancashire. Click start.
The routes are being calculated. Please select a route.
And you've got the fastest and most economical and shortest here. That's how you set the sat nav. Thanks for watching.